To remove and replace the Skags on your Polaris Indy VR1 with the 650 engine, follow these steps. When replacing Skags, always replace in pairs and follow all warnings listed in the owner's manual. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface. Safely raise the sled so the skis are at least 6 inches off the ground. Next, remove the 3 Skag nuts and washers inside the ski. Then pull the Skag down and out of the ski to remove. Inspect the Skag for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, align the Skag studs to the ski mounting holes and install the Skag. Then install the 3 washers and Skag nuts. Torque the nuts to specification. Once complete, safely lower the snowmobile to the ground. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.